In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlinked digital planner in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable planner that lets you jump between sections using tabs, all built with Canva's free tools. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design with a custom size. Popular choices are 1080 by 1350 for a portrait layout or 1920 by 1080 for a landscape layout. Pick the size that best matches how you plan to use your planner. Portrait works nicely on phones and tablets, while landscape is great for laptops and widescreen displays. Next, add a rectangle to serve as your planner background. Stretch it to fill the entire page so you have a solid, unified base. Choose a background color that's easy on the eyes, and keep contrast in mind to make text readable. A subtle tone tends to work best for planners. Now create your navigation tabs using shapes. You can place them along the side for a binder-style look, or across the top like a classic menu. Keep each tab the same size for a polished finish. Duplicate your tab shape to maintain consistency and space them evenly so they're easy to tap or click. Add text inside each tab to label your sections, like Home, Calendar, and Notes. Use a clear, legible font and make sure the text color contrasts with the tab color. Center the text inside each tab so everything aligns neatly. With your first page designed, duplicate the page to create a separate page for each tab or section you've labeled. For example, if you have 3 tabs, you should now have 3 pages. This ensures each section has its own dedicated space in your planner. On page 1, link your tabs. Select the Home tab text, then click Link in the top right toolbar and link it to page 1. Select the Calendar tab text and link it to page 2. Repeat this for each tab so every label points to its matching page. This creates your internal navigation. Repeat the linking on every page. The idea is that no matter which page you're on, the tabs always take you to the right section. Be consistent. Home should always link to page 1, Calendar to page 2, Notes to its page, and so on. When you're finished, download your planner as a PDF, standard, and make sure Flatten is turned off. This preserves the clickable links so your tabs work exactly as intended. That's it. Your digital planner is now hyperlinked and ready to use. Enjoy navigating your sections with a single click.